Welcome to Saunders Farm by Pulte Homes, located right outside of Raleigh in Fuquay-Varina, North Carolina. Here at Pulte Homes, we design communities with more life built in. Saunders Farms offers a collection of life-tested, single-family, two-story home designs and modern townhomes. Featuring open floor plans, versatile flex spaces, and design package upgrades or design center customization options, depending on the plan that suits your needs best. Perfectly positioned for convenience, you're right by Highway 55, just minutes from the new I-540 extension, for an easy commute to Research Triangle Park and downtown Raleigh. Life here is built around the community. Spend your weekends relaxing at the swimming pool and cabana. Enjoy convenient workouts at the resident-only fitness center, take the pup to the dog park to burn energy, or meet new neighbors at the playground and pocket parks. When you live at Saunders Farm, you get more free time. Lawn care maintenance is included, so let someone else cut the grass for you. Plus, cable TV and high-speed internet are also included, a significant monthly savings in your pocket. The community is perfectly positioned in the desirable Wake County school zone. Every home is built for the future. Our smart home offering seamless connectivity and industry-leading energy efficiency that reduces your monthly utility costs. Plus, with our comprehensive trusted warranty, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a home built to a high standard. Just 6 minutes away, Target at Gold Leaf Crossing offers unmatched convenience with more retailers coming soon. 8 minutes away, downtown Fuquay-Varina offers a vibrant social scene with local breweries, award-winning restaurants, coffee shops, and boutique shopping. Experience the best of the Triangle with new home construction living and small town charm. Come tour our 4 model homes and discover available move-in ready opportunities, or build your dream home from the ground up with us.